What if I told you that you could run one of the most powerful state-of-the-art open models right on your laptop and then turn it into a fully functional autonomous agent without a single API key or cloud subscription? So today we are taking Google's Gemma 4, running it locally via Ollama and bridging it with Strands SDK to build an agent that doesn't just talk but actually does. As you might already know, Gemma 4 is the latest evolution in Google's line of lightweight open source models built using the same technology and research as the Gemini family. It is specifically optimized to deliver high performance reasoning while remaining small enough to run efficiently on your local hardware. There are a lot of docs by Google explaining the benefits of Gemma 4. Please feel free to check it out. The goal of this video is not to explain the benefits of Gemma 4, rather build an agent using it. So to get started, you can follow the instructions provided in the GitHub repository to install Gemma 4 on your local machine and run it using Ollama. So all the code that we're going to use for this demo today can be found right there in the repository. So feel free to clone it and use it for your own projects. I've provided the link in the description box below. Let's dive into it. All right, so this is the repository that we're going to use for the hands-on demo. So if you see here, there is agent.ipynb, which is the main notebook with all the agent blocks, and we have requirement.txt with all the Python dependencies. These are some of the prerequisites: Python, Ollama installed and running on your local machine, and you should have pulled a Gemma 4 model. If you do not know how to install Ollama, so here's the documentation. You can just download it and you can unpack the zip and run Ollama version. You should be able to see the Ollama version and then pull Gemma 4 model. The command that will help you to do that is Ollama pull Gemma 4, and you can also add the tag if you want. So if you want 2 billion parameters version, you can go ahead and add the tag just like here, and you can pretty much follow the same step. And once you have that, if you just run Ollama list, you should be able to see Gemma 4 model on your local machine. So if that is looking good, go ahead and clone this repository on your local machine and start this repository too, because if there are any other content on the same Gemma 4, I'll make sure to update on this repository itself. So if you have already cloned it, let me show you my notebook here. If you see, I've already run it because, as you know, this is running on my local machine. So if I have to run and execute this at the same time, it is going to consume a lot of resources on my local machine, and it might interrupt the recording too. So that's why I've already run the notebook, and I will be explaining what are all the things that we are doing in this notebook. Okay, so we have the requirement.txt file here. So if you see, we are importing Strands agents, Strands agent tools, and Ollama. Okay, now in the first cell, we are installing the dependencies. So if you want to check out the official documentation of Gemma 4, so this is the one. I've already added that in the notebook too. So please use the same notebook and read about it. So here we are installing the requirement.txt. I've already run it, so you can see a requirement already satisfied. Okay, so if that looks good, next we are importing some of the libraries which are required. One is agent. We are importing agent from Strands. As I told you, we are using Strands framework. So if you do not know what is Strands, how exactly you can use Strands to create an agent, so please check out my previous video in Mastering Agent Core playlist. So you can pretty much follow the complete tutorials in order to understand agent core, Strands, and everything about building agents on AWS. Okay, although this is not related to AWS, but Strands is something that is developed by AWS and it's open source. That's the framework that we're using for this tutorial. Okay, so we are importing agent from Strands, and we are importing Ollama model from strands.models.ollama. Strands supports all the models that are available in the market today. So basically, I'm importing Ollama model. So that's the reason why I've added the second line of import. Okay, next in the third block, we are initializing the Ollama model, that is Gemma 4. So if you see here, I'm just mentioning model, which is Ollama model, and the model ID is Gemma 4, and host, where exactly it is running. It's running on my local host, which is powered with a port number 11434. That's the port number that you need to remember if you're using Ollama to run any models on your local machine. Okay, 11434. Okay, so the next block here, we are creating a simple agent. So if you see here, agent is equal to agent, and you define the model ID. Basically, you are getting the model from here, block number 3, and you are giving a simple system prompt saying that you are a helpful assistant powered by Gemma 4 running on locally or via Ollama. I know that this is a simple hello world agent, but I just wanted to show you how you can use a local running model to create an agent on your local machine using Strands. So that's the whole agenda of this video. So if you want to go and deploy it on your AWS, so please check out my Mastering Agent Core core playlist that I've created. It's available on the course section, and the first course that you see is that one. Okay, so if you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing, because I've noticed 80% of the viewers who are watching my videos are not subscribing to the channel. Please let me know what is the issue so that I can improve further. So let me know in the comments. Okay, so with that being said, this is a simple agent that we have created, and in the block number 5, if you observe carefully, I'm just running a test query. Okay, so response is equal to agent, I'm calling this one, and what is the capital of India, and give me 3 fun facts about it. So it says capital of India is New Delhi, and here are 3 fun facts about the city. Okay, so the cool thing is that you don't need the internet access to run this model, because it's open source and it's running locally on your machine. So I'm using the highest version, which is having more records on the model, so that's why it can work like just like Gemini, which is running on Google Gemini, right? So that's how it is. So this is a simple test, but what I will do is let me also explain about the multi-turn conversation age. So here, if you see, in the turn 1, I'm just saying that my name is Yashwant, remember this, and in the turn 2, I'm testing the memory within the same session. So I'm just asking what is my name, and the agent is responding that your name is Yashwant. I know it's basic one, but try to understand how you can use this. Okay, so if you follow my playlist which I talked about, you will understand memory, RAG, tools, everything that we need in order to make the agent production ready. So please watch that playlist too. Now in the block 7, we are going to build an agent with built-in tool, which is a calculator, a simple one. But if you want to develop your own tool, you can do that. That's the next video that I'll be doing, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. So here, if you see, I'm just again importing a calculator because we didn't do that right there in the import cell. And here, if you see, agent with tool is equal to, I'm creating a new agent model, which is the model that we are using. System prompt is that you are a helpful assistant, use tools whenever needed and give me the result. Okay, and in the tools, I'm mentioning calculator, which is one of the built-in tools that are available in Strands. Okay, now in the same cell, I'm printing the response, agent with tools. What is 1, 2, 3, 4 into 5, 6, 7, 8? So it used that calculator. If you see here, tool 1 calculator was used, and here is the result. Operation was evaluate the expression, and input was 1, 2, 3, 4 by 5, 6, 7, 8, and the result is this one, right? So the answer is also displayed here. So this is how simple it is to use a model running on your local machine using Ollama to create an agent. Like I mentioned, this is a simple agent, but you can go ahead, use the same concept and build your own agent. So I look forward to hearing from all of you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you're liking the content, please go ahead and spread the word about it, because that motivates me to create more videos on the same channel. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it with your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.